What are independent events? If we consider an urn with 4 red and 6 green marbles, out of which we draw 2 marbles successively, which means we draw the first, then we draw the second. This could be done without replacement, which means we draw the first marble and keep it outside of the urn, then to draw the second. Then in this case, the choice of the second marble depends on the choice of the first marble, as the sample space have changed when I get to select or draw my second marble. This experiment could also be done with replacement, which means we draw the first marble, then put it back in the urn. In this case, the choice of the second marble does not depend on the choice of the first, as when I draw the second marble, the sample space would not have changed. Then if we consider the two events A as the first marble is red and B as the second marble is green, then in this case A and B are independent events. Then two events of a random experiment are independent if and only if realizing one does not affect realizing the other one. So if we are given two independent events A and B, the probability of A given B is the same as the probability of A, since realizing B does not affect realizing A. And the probability of A given B is the probability of A inter B divided by the probability of B. Consequently, when A and B are independent, we obtain the probability of A inter B to be the probability of A times the probability of B. Going back to our urn with 4 red and 6 green marbles, we draw 2 marbles successively and with replacement. If event A consists of having the first marble red, and event B consists of having the second marble green, A and B would then be independent events as the experiment is done with replacement. And the probability of A inter B is the probability of A times the probability of B. The probability of A being 4 out of 10 and the probability of B being 6 out of 10, we obtain 6 out of 25 for the probability of A inter B.